mpaka KPL.
Riwruok matayo tuke mag adhula thurka FKF obago puonj makende ne lakteche mosebedo ka rwayo oganda e kind tuke mag FKF. Lakteche mag timbe mopogore opogore noyuoro e romo makamano. Mae en okang' mar miyo jothieth makamago lony madwarore mar neno ni sama gikonyo jotugo mohinyore to gitime gi lony mamalo. Ajuoke mamine kod machuo noyuoro e puonj makamano.
Tukiangalia most of the people hapa ni ma first aiders, so unapata wana gain those skills of physiotherapists. So wakipata hizo skills wanaenda kuimplement into their teams. Unapata players wako sawa, performance pia inaenda juu. Most of them wamekuwa na deal tu na those first aid skills, but tukiangalia deep into therapy hawakuwa na hiyo knowledge. But as per now, most of them wamekuwa educated and they are implementing.
I was here talking to the physiotherapists about the importance of mental health and mental well-being for athletes. How to adequately support them, how to identify signs of mental health, the symptoms that come with, distress, and how to act when that happens.